Wow. So let's rewind a little bit of what I did, how I climbed here. Are you ready? Alright, so without the further ado, here we go. Me climbing the diamond head in a bad way. Going to Diamond Head today. I'm gonna climb it in a bad way. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon, so I'm not too sure about the sunset because it's kind of dark, getting darker, and I hope I'm not gonna be lost. And I'm just going there by myself. So see you there. Guys, that is the outfit for today. Just a sneaker and a jeans, a short, really a skinny type of jeans, and I'm ready. First, before we climb, hello, welcome to OAHU. This is the Diamond Head, guys. This is a dead volcano, long time, bajillion times ago. So this is, you know, the ancient Hawaiian. It's like 1880. It was very long time ago, and incredible. Like, you can read everything about this volcanic crater. So here we go. So we're going to climb in this area. We're actually here. Oh no, here. So we're here and we're just going to climb all the way. Let's climb. Small, very small, tiny daisy. Oh my god. So guys, never hike by yourself because it's dangerous, you know. When you get lost or you have an accident and nobody knows. So always hike with somebody. Oh my god, guys, now I start itching. Wow. So there's a trail over there, and there's also a trail over here. We're getting closer, and it's the right way. Oh, it's a garbage. Whew. Gosh. So there's a trail that's going up. Oh my gosh, that is so creepy. It scares me. Santa, you scares me. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I think this way is going down. So what if we climb there? Let's go. Oh, we're getting in there. I can still see Santa's face. I don't know you guys if you can see it, but still there. So let's keep that phone away. So we have these hands to hold things. Ooh. So many thorns and everything. I think it's good to climb this place when it's very dry, because all the leaves are gone, so it's so easy. Like there's no California grass, which California grass is really bad sometimes. Like I don't know, I'm just allergic to California grass, but let's see. This is okay. I can take medication there. There's actually no way here. It's okay. We'll find it. Look at that tree. Beautiful. God, it's getting steep. Look, guys. I hope it won't rain. Probably not. Wow, guys, look at that. My legs, they're really itchy now. But it's okay. Okay. Alright. I think that there's a lot of trees I can hold on. just I need to rest. Almost there. Whew. What a beautiful Honolulu. Wow. Oh my god, guys. I'm actually here. What's up? Oh. Wow. It's incredible, huh? Yo! I made it to the top. Whew. Oh my freaking gosh. Look. That is the crater. The city, that's Waikiki. That's where I live. Those buildings. Here we go. Me exploring the Diamond Head. Over here, it's so beautiful. But yeah, the lighting is it's immaculate. So usually people go on that side, you know, the hike, the regular hike, not this crazy one. It's a little extra fun when you do a little extra. So extra, but it's really beautiful. So this is the Hawaiian cactus. It's so thorny, like, oh my god, this spike is like a needle, like big freaking needles. Oh my god. Imagine if I crash on that, like, whoa. Oh my god. I'm not way up to where I wanna go, but I need to find a way down because I am gonna be lost, you know. So I have to go down. Probably I will just do the other side too, because, or maybe I can go down in that side and find a way out. But are they gonna ask me though? Like, where did you go? Where did you climb? Like, what the hell? So quiet. Oh my god, I'm in a very dangerous cliff. Okay, so we don't want to fall or something. Okay, alright, so we're not going. It's getting windy and that's a little scary. Wow. Yeah, so it's getting windy and that way it's getting higher and higher. Okay. Wish me luck because I'm just going to go down this way. I think this is easier, so I can just hold on the pipe because that is the city, Waikiki, and that's where I live. Okay. So this is metal. I'm not sure if this is water or electric, but we will just try to hold it into it and follow the direction of this going down. Oh my god. If I upload this, I'm gonna be in trouble. Wow. So I think this is easier. But here it's like less trees, so there's not a lot of things to hold on. And if you fall, you're probably dead, so never ever fall. Okay, there we go. Oh my god. Pipe. I wish I could just slide going down. Oh my ass. But I cannot because it's not that clear. No. Flowers. Beautiful flowers. Wow. Look at these guys, so pretty. I can just make a bouquet out of this one. Wow, charge. Wow. Now there is a fence, so here's the challenge. Wow, the lighting is beautiful. I'll just follow this fence going on that area. I can just take selfie here like this. Alright, that one. I feel like I'm in prison. There we go. Oh my gosh. Thank God I'm holding. I'm like a freaking monkey. My hands is like, wow. Shit. Oh shit, it's hard to see this thing. Wow. Is it a hole over here? Oh my god. Let go deep down. I think it's a little river over here. Oh my gosh, what the heck is that? Oh, it's like a river. Now, oh my god. Now we gotta go climb off, go in there. So, we'll see. There's a lot of California. Gosh. This is a challenge. Oh my gosh. Huh. No, not me. I'm not gonna fall. You. We'll try to find a way. Okay. Oh god, I'm gonna pee again. Okay, hold on. Gosh, that's where I climb area. So, what time is it? It's almost 7 o'clock. So it's 6:45 and I'm still here, but no, it's safe. I'm almost there. And this way is very safe. So, the land has a lot of thorn, so we have to move this away. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. This tree called Falo Maria in the Philippines, or Ipil Ipil. It's a very good tree. A lot of freaking. Wow. What if this is the prison, like correction? Because this could be, you know, we never know. So we're going in this side anyway. Hold. Oh my god. That is somebody's property, so I have to be careful. Maybe I can just follow this. Let me turn off the camera. Alright guys, so there's no way to go there, so I'll just follow this fence again, going on the north. I hope there's a way. Oh, there's dragon fruit. It's really dark, but I can still see it. There's dragon fruit plum, but there's no dragon fruit. And it's so a lot of aloe vera. But we're not picking some plants right now. Wow, it looks bright on my camera, but to be honest, it's really dark right now. So 7 o'clock, sunset, and I hope I'm not. Oh my god, cause like somebody's backyard, and I don't want to go there. You know, Jesus, Miko, what did you do, really? Wow, the house there is beautiful, like really beautiful, for real. Oh my god. There's a lot of dragon fruit, guys, look. So this is a dragon fruit plant. It's a lot. It's a cactus, but wow. It's a cactus family, dragon fruit. It's a lot. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I wish it's early so I could see more, but it's really dark. So I'm gonna turn off the camera and I will just find a way home. So guys, unfortunately I am lost. Like there's no way. If I go here I couldn't see it. So I don't trust that area. So I'm just gonna go back where I came from. And I'm just gonna find a way out there. Because this is like a house, you know. This is a residence area, like they will shoot you if you break in, especially at night. So I don't wanna get shot here. Okay. So I'm just gonna do it really quick. It's getting dark, but I know I'll be fine. I'm really close to the city. I could just actually go there and ask help. We'll see. What can I do? Jesus. I feel like I'm start panicking, but I know I am fine. Oh shit. It scares me. It's a freaking this all different because entering my skin. It's okay. Alright, so I'm gonna just I don't know. Maybe I can go in there. And there's dogs. So let me see. Oh my god, there's a person. Oh my gosh. There's like security. Okay. So there's no more choice but it's to go here. I wish I can still see this. I might need my phone. Shit. I thought I'm fine, you know. If it goes down to where I go up, probably it's more safer. But I trust this vibe, so gosh. Okay, let's see. Alright, I'm just gonna text my roommate that I'm lost. Alright guys, so since it's really dark and I couldn't find my way, I will use this my phone, thank God, and to see. Oh, that is actually like a little cliff. I trust myself. I will find a way out. So, Jesus. Alright, so let's just make this really quick. Oh my gosh. So I'm just finding the place where I first climbed, you know. That area should be good. Whew. This looks nice. Whew. It's not too dark in here. See, I'm still in the mountain. Still in the diamond head. I have to turn off the light. So if there's a predator or enemy, they wouldn't see me. I need a light. Holy shit. What did I do wrong? Oh my god guys, can you hear the sound? Oh, that's creepy. I couldn't even feel tired. Like I feel like, I don't know, my adrenaline is working very well right now. So maybe alright guys, so I'm just following this fence, the construction area, and I'm walking really quick because I can hardly see. The city light is so beautiful. Wow. So now I'm almost on the road. I can see the road, so I can hear the car. So I got it and I made it safe and sound. So my god guys, I made it without breaking into someone's property. I feel so much better. Okay, so here we go. So that was me. I lost a little bit and now I find a way home, and I might just go take Uber, or I can walk. Actually, it's good. Walking is good. So yeah, thank you so much guys. I found a way out. Yeah, thanks for watching. Till next time guys, you know, never hike, you know, crazy hike. Always, you know, wherever you go, whatever you do and have fun, always make sure that you are with somebody, not alone, especially here. And also, do the right thing, and you know, always stay safe and take care of yourself. Alright, so that being said, thank you, and again, I love you guys all, and kisses. Till next time.
From this high.